With going today, I'm going to show you guys how you can create or build a website when it comes to Odoo.com. First thing you want to do is head over to Odoo.com and you should see something like this. Now, at the top, you see something called apps. You want to click on apps and then you see this website, and under that, you see website builder. So you want to click on your website. After that, it's going to ask you to sign in one more time. So we're going to do that. And once we've signed in, it's going to ask me for some of my information. So I'm going to go ahead and fill up that very quickly. And then I've pressed on start now after filling up, and then they're showing this thing. So I'm going to skip through that very quickly. As you can see, we are here ready to build a website. So please click on let's do it. So what sort of website is it? Is it a business website, online store, blog, event, or what? So let's say it's an online store. So what sort of business is it? So I'm going to say it's for marketing. Let's say marketing agency with the main objective to get leads. Now the color palette. So you could also upload your logo directly here. But if you don't have a logo, then any sort of color palette just for the moment. So let's say I want this type of thing. So what are the things that you want? And as you can see, it's so much customized. Like this is within the free plan and there's already so much. So we need an about us, we need services. I do not want to do pricing, but we'll do appointment. Oh, this is the standard plan. Oh, there will be a 15 days, but if I cancel it. Okay, so some are within the standard plan. Okay, so as you can see, these you can choose within the free plan. Rest, they are with the standard plan. So we're going to click on that and do build my website. Now, as you can see, they're showing us a few themes to see which one we like. And if I just click on them, you can easily see it hovers through, which I think is a very good option. And if you don't like this, you can easily click on view more themes and it's going to bring us to another page. But just for the moment, I'm going to click on that and select this one. As you can see, it says building your website. So it's applying all my colors, searching for any sort of images that would be best and things like that. So we'll let this load. As you can see, now this has been loaded up, and if you can just click on edit, then it's going to allow you to edit anything and everything that you want. Once everything is done and you've changed all of the things, just click on save, and page title is not saved, but yet we'll just click on this one. And as you can see, this has been published. So if I just copy this link and paste it inside another one, you can see this is the website, and this is how you can do it. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.